How to see if your YouTube channel is monetized or not. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can see if your YouTube channel is monetized or not. So let's dive in. First, open your YouTube Studio app and then you have to click this earn option on the bottom right corner. You can just download this YouTube Studio app from your app stores on your iPhones, and on your Androids you can go to your Play Store and download it. And then you have to open it and click this earn option, the dollar sign on the bottom right corner, and scroll down. And now you can see to get monetized on YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 public watch hour time, or you can just have 10 million short views. So I do not have any of these. That means my channel is not monetized. And once you complete these, you can just get monetized on YouTube. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.